exercise 1.3. We know very well if a number is in P by Q form, then it is rational. But under root 5 is irrational. Suppose in place of under root 5 we are given under root 25 here. So we can say it is equal to 5. So 5 by 1, that is again rational. But here we have to prove that is irrational. Now how can we prove? There are some steps, every time we have to follow those steps. So let's start it. First step, you need to write let under root 5 is A and B, yes, are co-prime and B not equal to 0. Now squaring both the sides. If we square both the sides, then of course we will have here under root 5, it will become 5. Cross multiplication, so 5b square equal to a square. Let's say this is result number 1. Now a square is divisible by 5. Therefore, a is divisible by 5. Therefore, we can say a equal to 5m for some integers m. For some integer m. Now let's see the remaining portion of the same question. First, up to here we have done. Now we are using what I said you to do, that is a equal to 5m. That is the result number 2. I am saying this is result number 2. Now as we know that 5b square equal to, let me put its value in place of a, I am writing 5m. 5b square equal to a square. So in place of a square I am using this. So of course it is 25m square. Therefore b square equal to 5m square. This 5 will be divisible by this. Therefore b square is divisible by 5. Therefore b is divisible by 5. Vice versa. Okay. Therefore this is, we can say, result number 3. From result 2 and 3. From result 2 and 3, we can say that phi is a common factor. This is common factor of, phi is a common factor of a and b both. Now the next, but this contradicts our assumption or our supposition. Means what we have assumed that it is a rational number, it contradicts to our supposition that a and b are co-prime. Therefore under root 5 is irrational. This is the complete solution. See, the question is prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Okay, as we have done in the previous question, same. Let 3 plus 2 root 5 equal to a by b, where a and b are co-primes and under condition b not equal to 0. We are assuming it is actually rational. That's why a by b we are comparing. Now very easy. This 3 I am bringing to this side gives the result minus 3. And this 2, it will come in denominator all the way. Right? So here this 2 will be here 2b. Minus here nothing means consider 1. So 1 2 ja 2 will be here. Therefore, here a and b are actually here a and b are integers. This both are integers. So I should write a by 2b, this portion a by 2b minus 3 by 2 is a rational number. These both are integers a and b, so we can say this is rational number. If LHS is RHS is rational number, then of course this LHS is rational number. This RHS is rational, so under root 5 is also a rational number. Clear to you? This we are proving. These both are rational. Continuation. Same question. After proving that this LHS equal to rational, so RHS is also under root 5 is rational number. But actually we know that under root 5 is an irrational number. This we know, this is irrational number. It shows that our assumptions is incorrect. Notice is incorrect. Means it is contradictory what you assume then. Therefore, 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Clear to you? Every time we need to learn the same steps. Let's start. Let 1 by root 2 equal to a by b is a rational number. We are assuming that it is rational number. Okay, as we did in the previous question, the same procedure. If we are considering it as a rational number, then how to rationalize, you know very well. We need to divide and multiply with the same number. So finally in numerator will be this and denominator will be this, and here it is a by b. Therefore 2 will be multiplied to this side. So root 2 equal to 2a by b. This 2 will be in multiplication to this side. We know that a and b are integers. A and b are integers. If these are integers, then we can say 2a by b is rational number. 2a by b, right side, is a rational number. If LHS is a rational number, RHS is a rational number, then of course LHS will be also rational number. The same question in continuation. Under root 2 is rational number because we know we have proved that RHS side is rational number. So under root 2 LHS is also a rational number, which is contradict which is contradict to our fact, okay? But it contradicts to our supposition. To our supposition means what we are assuming, it is contradict to that. Therefore, we can say root 2 is a rational number. Therefore, 1 upon root 2 is also a rational number. Okay, now we will see second 7 root 5. Okay, same procedure as we did in that. Let's take 7 by root 5. We are comparing with a by b, because as we are assuming it is a rational number. A by b, it means it is a rational number. Is a rational. You can write in the sentence also. Okay. In the next step, we need to write here A and B are co-primes. A and B are co-primes. Fine. Then we know that 7 root 5. So I am keeping root 5 here only. And this 7 I am bringing to this side. So it gives the result A upon 7B. Therefore, we can say A and B are integers, as A and B are integers. So, as A and B are integers, this A and B are integers, then we can say that as A and B are integers, A by 7B, A by 7B, they are rational numbers. They are rational numbers. Okay. Therefore, LHS rational number, of course, under root 5. RH is rational number, so LHS is also rational number. Clear to you, beta, up to here? Okay. Now, as it opposite to our contradiction, so in continuation, I am continuing the same question. It contradicts our assumption, which is contradict our assumption. Therefore, we can say under root 5 is a rational number, is an irrational number. Therefore, 7 root 5 is also an irrational number. Clear to you, beta? Let 6 plus root 2 equal to A by B. Means 6 plus root 2 is a rational, we are assuming. मान लो it is rational number. Therefore, we can say, let's bring this 6 to this side. It gives the result this. Here it is 6. Now, we know that A and B are integers. Therefore, A by B minus 6 is a rational number. Therefore, this is rational number. So, LHS rational number. So, this is RHS, sorry. So, under root 2 is also rational number. Clear up to here? Now, the next step we know. What should we write for the same? 6 plus root 2. I am mentioning here 6 plus root 2. If they are rational number, Then let me complete it. So it is contradict. It is contradict our assumption. It contradict our assumptions. Therefore, under root 2 is an irrational number. Therefore, 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number.